Bismillah. Have you ever wondered how it would feel to see the face of your Creator, the one who has been guiding you all your life? That moment when you finally meet Allah is the ultimate moment we all strive for. As Muslims, we believe that our ultimate goal is to see Allah. It's the most significant and rewarding moment that awaits us in the hereafter. It's the moment when all our struggles, good or bad, are put to rest, and true peace and happiness begin. We spend our lifetime preparing for this ultimate moment by following Allah's commands and pleasing Him in every way we can. We pray 5 times a day, fast during Ramadan, give zakat, and perform Hajj, all in hope of pleasing Allah and seeing Him. Can you imagine the joy and ecstasy when you finally see Allah's face? The face that we've been longing for, seeking, and yearning to see since the day we were born. It's the most beautiful sight that anyone can ever imagine. As we approach death, we worry about what will happen to us next. But for believers, death is just a portal that leads to the ultimate moment, the moment of seeing Allah. It's a moment we long for, and it's our biggest motivation for striving to live a good life here in this world. Brothers and sisters, it's never too late to prepare for this moment, for no one knows when it will come. So let's put our trust in Allah and strive to please Him, so that we may be granted the ultimate moment, the moment of seeing Allah. On the Day of Judgment, Qiyamah, there are various verses in the Quran that describe the meeting with Allah. Here are a few verses that highlight this. Surah Al-Isra, 17-80, and say, My Lord, cause me to come in with a firm incoming and to go out with a firm outgoing. And give me from thy presence a sustaining power. Surah Al-Qiyamah, 75, 28-30. On the day the earth and the mountains will shake, and the mountains will become heaps of sand pouring down. Indeed, we have sent to you a messenger as a witness upon you, just as we sent to Pharaoh a messenger. But Pharaoh disobeyed the messenger, so we seized him with a ruinous seizure. Surah Al-Qamar, 54, 7-8. The hour has come near, and the moon has split in two. And if they see a sign, they turn away and say, Passing magic. Surah Al-Zumar, 39-68. And the trumpet will be blown, and all who are in the heavens and all who are on the earth will fall dead, except whom Allah wills. Then it will be blown again, and at once they will be standing, looking on. These verses provide glimpses of the Day of Judgment and the meeting with Allah. It is a profound and awe-inspiring event that signifies the culmination of human existence and the ultimate accountability for one's actions in this world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reminders about Allah's mercy. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.